Pulitzer.
What's that?
I'm reading the book. You just can't read.
No, you're right.
That popcorn smells so good.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah. Disney popcorn, I don't know why it tastes the best. Maybe because they over salted.
I don't know what they did.
It's so good. Right now we're going into Splitsville to do some bowling. Looks like purple lettuce. Alright, that's right.
Where's all your shit talk? Look at her. Look at her. That's the face of someone who was popping trash earlier. Don't come over here, son. Don't come over here. I guess you're Michael, what was it? Bug Special Juice?
So hold on. We was getting all these gutters. We got all these gutters in a row. Suddenly, all I did was I stuck my arm out to the side while bowling.
He didn't know he got a strike.
I stuck my arm out to the side. All of us did the same thing, and suddenly we got points. So if you ever are second at bowling and you need to know the secret to hit your pins, put your arm out and you're gonna hit the pins. I promise you this. It's guaranteed. Tried and tested 3 in a row. So this is how you bowl. This is gonna be so embarrassing if I get a gutter. Everyone gonna say this. You're trying to. Oh my God, we went to 5 to the 10s.
No, I did a good job because I got 9 and then I got.
Yeah, you picked it up, the spare.
Yeah, the last one, that's single. That's the hardest ball to get.
Yeah, the pin.
Just saying. Yeah, that's the hardest one.
All right, Kevin, try to catch up to us.
Documentary-esque. Honestly,
I virtual gutter balls now. Nobody can catch me. Everyone else can gutters too.
this is the Bowlers documentary. The way I filmed it makes it look like a real documentary from the 90s because of the color. So right now I'm zooming in on the child picking up the bowling
My
ball.
lesson number 6 always shows the video. I've only been bowling for a couple months, but I'm kind of top 10. She's going to nationals.
Oh, where'd it go? Okay.
Filming like a documentary from the 80s. All right, she's.
Tell me, like, zoom in and then, like, you'll see my hands pick up.
Okay.
All right. And then you can zoom out when I lift it and stuff. And, you know, just, like, zoom in when I throw it. Now it seems like I'm directing it. It's supposed to be candid, so let me redo it. Started? Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, let me zoom in and then zoom out, and then it'll be you. So stand right there.
Here?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Welcome to Christmas.
Yes.
2020. 2020.
Yeah, that's a good video.
Okay. What do you have to say?
I'm
about
going
Christmas?
home. As you can see.
We won't want you to unlock your door so we can pick your Oh.
No, I'm freaking my lock. This is my back door. You don't even know. Well, this is my spare door. Anyway. No, you
Thank you.